Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to study page number 10 on workbook. The first one exercise is write a sentence with speech in it for each picture. Look at these pictures. These pictures are in this speech bubble. Some kind of information is written which is speak by that person. You write these information in that blanks. The first one blank is the hunter said. You write the said. The hunter said. This is the hunter. The hunter said, come with me. Come with me is the information, that's why it is in speech mark. The hunter said, come with me. The blind man's daughter. This is the blind man's daughter. He said, look at this. The blind man's daughter said, comma, speech mark, look at this, speech mark and full stop. At the end of the sentence, you should write the full stop and also put the speech mark. The children said, comma, we like to sing. We like to sing. We like to sing. And put the speech mark around that information. One of the villagers said. One of the villagers said, comma, speech mark, he was a good man. He was a good man. The blind man said, comma, speech mark, I can hear a line. I can hear a line. Put the speech mark around that and full stop. Insert the speech marks and commas or question marks into these sentences. You should put the speech marks, commas and question answers around these sentences or into these sentences. I am going to the shopping mall. It's a kind of information, said mum. Who gives the information is the mum gives the information. Mum said. Before said you put a comma and around that information you put a speech mark. Can I come with you? Around that put a speech mark and then comma. Asked Lena. Who asked? Lena asked. Yes, mum. Yes is the reply. Then we put speech mark, comma, mum answered, full stop. Then we can look around the shops. We can look around the shops and then go and visit Auntie Lala Rukh. This is also a kind of information. Then we put speech mark and at the last full stop. I want to see Auntie Lala Rukh's puppies. I want to see Auntie Lala Rukh puppies. Put the speech mark around that, then comma, interrupted Haris and then full stop. Hurry and get dressed. Hurry and get dressed. It's an order. Then we put speech mark around that. After that we put a comma, said mum. Then we call all go. Then we can all go. We put a speech mark around that. Now it's the page number 11 on workbook. Exercise 3. Write sentence using the words in each bubble and a word from the box instead of said. Write sentences using the word in each bubble and a word from the box instead of said. You should write these words from that box instead of said. In the previous page, you write the said. Then we use a word from all these words. First, of course, I will answered a J. Of course, I will answered a J. Of course. In the first sentence we use instead of said of course. The second sentence is stop complaining. Stop complaining, you write the stop complaining in the speech mark, then comma, snapped Junaid. Junaid snapped, you write the snapped, that word snapped, snapped, snapped. You fold the paper like this. You fold the paper like this. Who says? Komal. Then we don't write the said, we write the explained. Komal explained to the Alia that you fold the paper like this. You will put the speech mark around that sentence and next explained Komal. Hish, we must be quiet. The baby's asleep. After that, you put a comma and whispered, whispered Alia. Like that, you should fill all these columns onto each blank and put the speech mark around these columns and also use the words from that box.